Last night I was locking up the chickens and I could hear the coyotes not too far away. They had just killed something. It just reminded me of the time when we lost 10 chickens from a fox. And it just, one of those things, right? You got animals and then there's other animals out there that want to eat them. Luckily I have probably about 150 hours of footage over the last 8 years of the kids growing up, and I had documented that piece. And so I threw it together, and that's what you're going to see right now. It's through Lindsay's perspective. Enjoy.
You work so hard to keep them safe, and God, what was that? It's like a third of them gone.
Yeah.
Sucks.
Well, we just had trouble at the hen house, and a fox, there he goes, just killed 7 or 8 chickens. The fox came in and just basically grabbed them and shook them, broke their necks, and was killing as many as it possibly could. And I just happened to look out the window and I saw these chickens lying here, and I'm like, that's odd. And I saw the fox. This was just a little baby that I had raised as a chick. It's dead. I've had this chicken for a couple years. Good layer, it's now dead. Some dead chickens over here. Right, strangled. Another one over there. And this is one of my new chickens. We just got this chicken the other day. It's dead.
Oh my gosh, I loved this one. Oh. This was such a beautiful chicken.
I know. I remember that one as a little chick.
Yeah. Was one kind of alive still?
The baby one. I was
Really?
holding it. I thought it was fine, but its eyes were already closed. It was shaking. It was already dead. Here are some of the survivors. They're in bed.
They're freaked out.
Yeah.
Got slaughtered by a fox. Nine hens came running out. And yeah, I saw him, we chased him away. And he left a bloodbath behind.
Is that the worst kill we've ever had?
Yeah, I think maybe we've lost 2 before to a fox. Oh, you're probably scared. I think you're just scared. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. Yeah, I think you're okay. Okay. We'll check on you in the morning. Okay. Yeah, I think you're just in shock. Oh, shoot, Brett.
Is it cut? Oh, damn it.
Oh,
God damn it.
yeah, I'm gonna have to do something about that. I just got blood on my hands.
Oh, God. Okay. What was it like to see that one that was alive and then realize it was...
Well, I could tell something wasn't right because the feathers were just like falling out on his back. And so when I lifted up his feathers there, he just cut wide open and his organs are like coming out.
Is it worse to find them like when they're still alive?
Oh yeah, I think so. He probably suffered for like half an hour. Poor thing was so scared, he was huddled up at the far fence.
What do you feel right now?
Defeated. You know, you work so hard to keep him safe, and yeah, and then in an instant there, you know, God, what was that? It's like a third of them gone.
Yeah.
Sucks. Feel sad. James will be upset.
What are you gonna tell James?
I don't know. Maybe we don't tell him anything. He won't know the difference.
That's in case if when he comes in the barn, she might be killed. That's why I'm just. Hey, what is that for?
Or I guess maybe it's a good life and death teachable moment.